Introducing Auburn Elementary in Auburn, Kansas. We are a part of the USD 437 school district. Welcome to Auburn. Here, we're the Wildcats. Auburn Elementary serves the westernmost and largest geographic attendance area in the Auburn-Washburn School District. At Auburn, students become effective communicators. Students become problem solvers. Students become decision makers. Auburn Elementary provides a secure learning environment. Each student is responsible for achieving progressively high academic and social standards. Students become lifelong learners. Students adapt to the ever-changing needs of their families, environment, and world. At Auburn, we inspire. We challenge. We prepare. Every child, every day.